Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Stop writing to the target disk, because every new file reduces recovery chances. Install and run Recuva from another drive. This prevents overwriting. Once launched, choose Recover Files and point Recuva to the damaged partition or folder. Make sure to run as administrator so Recuva can access low-level entries. Choose Deep Scan only if Quick Scan finds nothing. Deep Scan takes longer but locates fragmented or older entries. Start the scan, don't interrupt it. Once the scan yields results, focus on how to pick winners. Use the file type filter to narrow images, docs, or videos, and use the preview pane so you avoid recovering junk. Sort by Recuva's status column, recover good then poor files, leave very poor for later attempts. Make sure to recover to a different physical drive to avoid overwriting. If there are thousands of matches, mark batches and export the list for a second pass. This keeps the process organized and efficient. You're almost done. Validate the recovered files immediately. Open images and documents and run quick checksum checks if you can, because partial files look whole but may be corrupted. Once verified, avoid using secure delete or drives utilities until you're certain everything needed is recovered. If important files are still missing, make a forensic image of the drive and run Recuva on the image rather than the original. This preserves the source. Troubleshooting tip. If Recuva fails repeatedly, switch to a clone and scan workflow to prevent further data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.